a short video about the DORMA TS68 door closer. In this video I'm going to show you some of the features of the TS68 and also how to set the closer up and get the best out of your product, and some useful tips when fitting door closers. The most common application is figure 1 fitted to the pull side of the door. To ensure that the closer performs efficiently, use the template to position the closer on the door and frame correctly. The template gives you various options to position the closer and the shoe of the arm to give different power settings. You will need to choose the power setting of the door closer based on factors such as site conditions. Is it an external door in a windy environment, or is it an internal door where the air pressures may prevent the door from closing correctly? Another factor is the size of the door. The wider the door, the more power required. The arm should be configured depending on whether it is a latched or unlatched door. The configuration can be altered by adjusting the top arm and then simply popping the two parts back together again. You will then have the option to increase or decrease both the sweep speed of the door between 180 and 15 degrees and the latching speed of the door between 15 and 0 degrees. Is the door closing too quickly or too slowly? You can adjust the sweep speed by turning this valve clockwise to decrease the speed or anti-clockwise to increase the speed. Is the door closing too slowly over the last 15 degrees to overcome the resistance of the latch or door seals, or is it moving too quickly and creating a finger trap hazard? You can adjust the latch speed by turning this valve clockwise to decrease the speed or anti-clockwise to increase the speed. When correctly adjusted, the door should safely allow traffic to pass through the doorway, ensuring that the latch engages every time. On some occasions you may only be able to fix the door closer on the push side of the door. The arm will need to be fitted using a parallel arm bracket. First you must tighten in both the sweep and latching valves. Next, fit the arm to the body at approximately a 100-degree angle and then pull it round approximately 45 degrees. Remove the arm from the body and reposition in a more parallel application to the door and tighten the fixing bolt. Connect the arm to the top section of the arm, ensuring that the top part is running exactly parallel to the door. Now loosen the sweep and latching valves to get the desired closing speed.